Before I got married, I was weighing 63. Okay, I get it. I'm married now. I have kids. I can simply say I can't weigh the same. 90. No. You should listen to your body. I'm listening to my body right now, and my body is telling me a different thing. I have added so much weight, so much sugar in my body. I can feel the sugar in my joints, painful waist, and other things. If I don't take off that sugar in my routine, it means I'm not listening to the message of God. So guys, this is what I look like. I don't know, this thing is kind of dark, but I don't know. I'll show you some light when I'm doing this thing. But this is what I look like. I just want to be real. I'm doing this video here because I want to kind of tell myself that I have put myself on the camera here. I'll have to show you guys what my before and after looks like. We are starting this thing today. This is 18th of May, and we're starting it. I'm going to do more of intermittent fasting and also, eat healthy. This is it. I'm sending my husband list of diets, list of healthy kind of foods to get for me today because I'm not let me tell you guys, secrets of weight loss actually coming out the good result is make sure your meals are especially the fact being that you're the one that makes teach the Lord knows go. What's that video name? Obi knows go. Okay. Especially being that you're the one that makes meal for everybody to eat. So it's kind of very tempting. So one thing I would advise you is that make your food ready. Put it in the fridge. When you're finished making food for them, as they're eating, bring out your own and eating. So you don't get tempted to eat theirs. So guys, this is what I look like at the moment. This is what your girl looks like at the moment. This is me here. This is my tummy. This is my tummy, almost like I'm still pregnant. This is my tummy. This is my tummy. This is me. This is my hand flapping. This is it. So guys, we have to help ourselves because if we don't do this, then anything that comes along, we'll take it. Okay? So this is the highest I have weighed actually, and I have to actually do something about it. So as I'm starting today, if I have time, I can show you guys what I prepared, what my meal is, how I prepared my meal, and everything. But if I don't have time, I don't know. I'll just come here and keep updating you guys, just as usual. Maybe, guys. So I'll see you guys soon. So guys, if you look at it, you can see I am weighing 90 points or 91. It's fluctuating because my son was putting his hand across it. So guys, I am really weighing so bad. I have never weighed this big before. Before I got married, I was weighing 63. Okay, I get it. I'm married now. I have kids. I can simply say I can't weigh the same. But 90. No. You should listen to your body. I'm listening to my body right now, and my body is telling me a different thing. I have added so much weight, so much sugar in my body. I can feel the sugar in my joints, painful waist, and other things. If I don't take off that sugar in my routine, it means I'm not listening to the message of God. When God tells you, stop, something is on the way, stop, something is on the way. And that is just the measures I'm trying to take now. I'll show you guys what I look like then. You guys will understand, okay? So welcome beautiful uncut with nonoObi. I know on clicking on this video you already see my thumbnail and what this video is all about, guys. So this video we're just gonna go direct to the point. This is how I lost 29.5 kg in 3 months in a very healthy way. What did I say? Healthy way. The best way to have a healthy weight loss journey is to lose about 1.5 kg or at most 2 kg in a week. Then you know that you're going slowly and steady, then you don't have any health issue, and then of course you don't look like a dry fish. When you do it in a very drastic way, you look like somebody that has lost nutrients. You know what a plant looks like when it's being watered very well. You're not going to look that way. You're going to look like a plant when you are in winter. The way it is dried out and looking as if it needs help. That is how you're going to look. You don't go into a healthy weight loss journey. As you guys are done watching that video was when I started this weight loss journey because I decided and I wanted to document it. to kind of see my progress and what I have done. In this video, I'm telling you guys what I ate to be able to what I ate that helped me to lose 29.5 kg. In this video, I'm also going to be telling you how I was able to be consistent in losing this weight that you're seeing. In this video, I'm also going to tell you the motivation in losing this weight. In this video, I'm also going to tell you the exercises I did that helped me to lose this weight. I didn't do much exercises, I'll be sincere. So right now, that video you saw was what I was and how I started. I didn't start this weight loss journey with I trust me, because eating an unhealthy food is so sweet. You can eat pizza, you can take ice cream, you can eat so many junks, and you just feel so okay. You can have your cheese, your bread. Oh my god, that was the things I was enjoying and all. But nobody told me to lose weight when I still feel it on my body. And guys, like you saw on that video, if you don't listen to your body, then you're on your own. I listened to mine because I still having issue getting up from the bed, knee pain, back pain. Those things are those things are result of being overweight. My height, I'm not supposed to be weighing 93 kg. On that video, it's not 91 kg. I was actually weighing 93 kg, and I'm not supposed to be weighing that because of my height. So it means I was overweight. This video, I did not write it down. This is just me coming here to speak to you guys. So make sure you've liked this video now. I have every information rolling out as the spirit is coming. So now, if you're going on a healthy weight loss journey, I repeat, please tilt towards your local food. See, why I said tilt towards your local food is that it will make you to be consistent. Stop buying meals that you see foreign names. If you're not from that place, please don't waste your money. You're not going to be consistent. If you're in Africa, tilt towards your local food, what you enjoy eating. If you're an American, and so on and so forth, that will help you to be consistent, and that is what I did. If you look at the video here, I'm going to insert, you see that I have my meal plan and they're looking local. These are the local dishes that I will know that I will love to eat. Do you understand? And when I remember that those meals are my meal, I'm going to be excited and wait to eat. Another thing I'm going to say now that helped me to be consistent without cheating is that you have to meal prep. Guys, meal prep your food. Don't wait that day you're going to eat to make food. Just say to yourself, every Sunday I have a meal prep badge for the week. So it means that every Sunday you make your meal down in the fridge so that you don't end up eating what the family is eating or end up eating junk because your food is not ready. Because if you don't have your meal prepped down, when you're making food for the family, you're likely to eat their food because then the aroma and everything is going to give you that urge to eat anything you see. So meal prepping is very important. Another thing that has helped me to achieve 29.5 kg under 3 months is that I drank a lot of water. Yes, if you're in the family of not people that don't like drinking water just like me, what motivated me to have lots of water is that I got bottles. My husband said you like bottles, bottle containers for water, but he doesn't know why, because those are the things that give me motivation to drink water. When the bottle is looking nice, I want to drink water. So get you bottles that are going to look nice. It will actually help you and motivate you to drink water. Another thing I'm going to say that actually helped me to get that goal of 29.5 kg is that I wasn't looking at the scale. Guys, don't look at the scale, because there are sometimes your results will be good and there are sometimes your results will not be good. But most importantly, I would advise that a healthy weight loss journey is when you lose about 1.5 kg to 2 kg in a week. If you lose anything way over, I think it won't be good to your health. You're gonna have some health issues. But if you're starting newly, the first week you're recommended to lose more. But the other weeks you shouldn't lose more. Okay? You shouldn't lose more than 1 kg. Okay? And another thing I'm gonna say is stick to the meal plan. Do not cheat. I was on calorie deficit and I didn't do much of exercises. I barely did exercise. I can't even remember. Maybe I did exercise once in 2 weeks or once in 3 weeks, just as the spirit leads. But I can say I did next to no exercise. No exercise. Yes, because what did I just do? So, but I was on calorie deficit, meaning that everything I eat, I measured it. If I'm going to eat meat here, I'm going to show you guys a meal plan, one of the meal plans I used. I measure my chicken breast with 500 gram. I'm going to leave a video down in the description or in the comment side, and I'm going to pin it there. You'll see a video of meal prep I did for the week. I made that video on a Sunday where I prepped the meals I'm going to eat from Monday to the next Sunday. So I think that video is going to give you an overview of what I'm saying. I showed you guys the quantities of the things I use and the measurements. Maybe you can use that particular meal plan I did for the week and use it for 3 weeks, and you're going to get a great result. So don't say the chicken breast is 500 gram. Okay, let me add extra 10 gram. No, just stick to the gram. Okay, stick to it. And if you're having sugary mouth, or if you feel like you can't keep up to this, when you're done for your last meal and maybe you're hungry, maybe just take a black tea or a green tea. It kind of suppresses your hunger. Or maybe if you're alone or you live alone, maybe you should try going to bed early. So it's gonna help things to tame down. So you can see that this video here, I've really gone extensively, and whatever I'm saying here is just basically the truth. I've gone from this size here, which you can see, to this size here, and to this size here. And when I'm done with this, and when I was done with all these stages of my weight loss, what did I do? I go into what they're calling maintaining stage. Maintaining stage is basically you should be aware of your weight, and you should be aware that you're not going to lose, or you're not going to add more than so and so thing. In a month, maybe you map out in a month that 2 times in a month you're going to basically just be on calorie, no, 2 weeks in a month, you're going to be basically on calorie deficit. And the remaining 2 weeks of that month, you're going to eat as much as you want. Right now, as we are talking, I'm on 2 weeks calorie deficit of the month, and the other 2 weeks, I'm going to eat what? So, guys, probably if there's anything I miss out on when I'm editing this video of the things that helped me to lose 29.5 kg, I'll probably repeat this video. But at this point, these are the things I did that helped me to lose 29.5 kg under 3 months. See guys, consistency is the key. Like I said, integrity. Just tell your mind there's this goal you're looking for, and when you get to that goal, you're probably going to eat every other thing that you missed, that that you're craving to eat. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll possibly see you in my other video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.